Hello, I'm Jason from the Deeper Network, and in this video I will show you my personal quick setup steps. So however your device is set on your network, whether it's wireless relay mode, router mode, virtual wire mode, these steps are a quick and surefire way to have your network exactly how you want it to be in a very short amount of time.
First, power on your device and log in with the username and password admin. Read through the terms and conditions in the privacy policy, and then you'll be logged into the AtomOS dashboard. On the left, click on Device and then System. On the Systems page on the far right, you can see the firmware version. If you have the ability to upgrade the firmware version, click on the Upgrade button and then wait until the process is completed. Next is the Tunnel tab. Click on DPN and then enter the tunnel page. My suggestion, first, go through and delete any of the tunnels that you will not be using, and then add in all of the tunnels that you will use the most. Also on this page is the node selection mode. My priority is streaming, so I will keep it on domain aware. If I want speeds, I'll click on round robin. But my suggestion, continue with domain aware. Next up is the mode. Right above tunnels, click on mode and then select whether you want to do smart route or full route. Smart route has the ability to have a backup tunnel just in case any of the tunnels that you're using goes to zero. In my case, I will select Hong Kong as a backup tunnel. If you wish to have a full route, click on full route and then select from any of the locations that you have just put in the tunnel tab. Enabling kill switch is something very important for anybody that does not want to leak their local IP address. So if you enable kill switch, if any of the tunnels goes to zero while on full route, your entire network will have no internet activity until another tunnel is established. If you're using Smart Route, go through all 16 pages of App Relocator to make Smart Route effective and powerful. The Security tab is where you will set your blacklist. In the description, there is a link to a blacklist and also a video of how to set the blacklist. Lastly, the Sharing tab. The Deeper Network is based on sharing, so to participate, enable sharing, and we always suggest to enable unlimited traffic and unlimited bandwidth. Please understand your local laws to see if you want to enable or disable BitTorrent traffic. Click on Sharing Blacklist, and you can upload a new blacklist for sharing, or you can apply web filter rules, which will apply your blacklist to your sharing. Lastly, click on Reboot, and I recommend that you schedule a weekly reboot. This will ensure communication issues are non-existent. After everything is completed, I recommend going down to password and changing the default password. Once again, the default password is admin. So input admin at the very top and then change the password to anything that you like. Please remember your password. Also, if you want more customization to all the devices individually on your network, I recommend Access Control List. The video is in the link description below.
We hope you found these videos helpful and informative. Continue watching the playlists to learn everything there is to know about your Deeper Connect and the Deeper Network.
Deeper Network. Of the users, by the users, for the users.